everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I want to go through the August Jane's Agenda subscription box with you. So I got this in the mail yesterday and just had a chance this morning. We're looking at Wednesday morning. Today is August 2nd actually. So I've already opened everything up just to get the plastic off, and it'll be easier to show you that way. So kind of excited about this box. I'm a big reader, if you guys don't know, and this is like the reading box, so pretty excited. So the first thing that you get, I won't be able to open it up on camera, but it is this like canvas tote bag, and it says just one more chapter, and then there's like this picturesque bookstore on the front. And in Jane's Agenda, like in their I think they did like a live unboxing, they use this for like a library bag. Well, you could, I think I'm just going to use this as a regular tote bag. I feel like these bags are like, they're easy to clean. You just pop it in the wash, and you can use it for anything. And I love this. So I'm probably going to use this one to carry around my planner. I have been using my planner just like carrying it around with me in my hand. But if I'm going, to the doctor, so today I'm going to the dentist, I'll probably bring my planner with me in case I need to make another appointment. So I'll just bring this and put it right in there, and then I can carry it on my shoulder because the strap is long enough. So I love this. I like this one way more than the bag they had. I think it was the June box. Was it April or May or June? I can't remember, but I like this bag way better than that one. So I'm pretty happy with the bag. Okay, so let's talk about these clips. So these clips were meant to go on the corner. I'm just going to use the tour card here. They're meant to fit right on the corner. So they are quite bulky. I don't really know. And they're also, I don't know how sturdy they are because mine's already out of alignment, but they're meant to go right on the corner of something. So, but you can see how they bulk up. Like it's not like flat. So I don't really know what I would use this for in particular. It's cool because it goes right on the corner, but I think it would be good like if you were a teacher or something, or a student, and you had like a sheaf of papers to, kind of like a binder clip. So this is what I would use it for, is like similar to a binder clip. Okay, so here's the tour card. And then you've got your August glossy card. I love this. I keep these, by the way. I don't care that it says 2023. I've been keeping mine because they're so pretty. And then, I mean, what you could do if you wanted to use them for another year, just trim off the August or like the month at the bottom and leave the same width of white space on the bottom, which you can do, right? And then you can use it as a pretty card. And it does have like the thank you on the back, but that's fine because this is glossy. It looks like a picture. It's so pretty. All right. So then the two little cards that you get, this one says plot twist, and this one says a bibliophobia, which is the fear of running out of reading material. This is real, you guys. Like, I have this feeling. If I don't buy a new book, or I'll reread a book that I have, like I'm actually scared, like, oh no, what am I going to read next? I actually experience that. It's weird. Here's a magnetic clip. So you guys, I have lots of these. I ordered tons from Ollieklip, and those ones are like plastic. This one is leather. It looks like real leather. I hate that word, by the way. It's faux leather. So, hopefully it would last longer than plastic, but I don't know. I have a few of these. So I've got a couple from, maybe one or two from Simply Gilded. I have some from Cloth and Paper, and I also have some from Planners Anonymous, and then most of my Ollieklip are all like the plastic kind. So yeah. So I mean, I like the color. I don't think it'll go with my August planner though, because it's like pink. So yeah, but I mean, they always come in handy. Okay, and then you get some sticky notes. So Jane was saying that you don't have to use this just for books, but it was meant to look like a library card, and it is kind of like a yellowish, pale yellow color, and it's Post-it brand. So the whole thing with these is that they lay flat. So you stick them down. You know how most Post-its will like pop up from the bottom. This lays flat. So that's nice. I'm not gonna actually try it because I don't want to like waste any. You don't get that many. It's quite a small stack. I mean, I think you get more in cloth and paper. Like this, for instance. Where's this one here? These are my memos, but I already used a whole bunch. So here's my inbox ones. Like, yeah, you don't get that many in comparison. Okay, so you've got your bookmark. So this says, like, it's got this writing on it, and it says, "A well-read woman is a dangerous creature," which is kind of cute. So I'll use this in my setup this month probably. Then you've got these kind of bookmarks, I guess. They have like 1 to 12, so I don't really know why they're numbered. But yeah, they're flat, which is nice. So you can put these in your planner too, to hold in your cards if you wanted to. I mean, I might use that to hold in like this, for instance, and put it on the front cover. You could use it for that, or you could use them as bookmarks in your planner, or sorry, in your books. Okay, so then next there are some inserts. So these are book inserts. The first page, I was leafing through this and wondering like, how many of each do you get? I kind of wish there were more like this one here. It says books to read. So I like writing down titles of all the books I want to read, and you only get the one page. And I wish there had been more of those. Okay, so the thing that follows is quotes and notes. So you can write down, like, I probably won't use this because if I have like, say I'm reading like a nonfiction book, I will put any quotes, like anything that gives me inspiration, I put that in my commonplace book. So I probably won't read these. And then on the back it says quotes and notes again, and then it's just like a whole page. So this one lets you put the chapter, the page number. So I mean, I could see you using these if you were like a big reader and then you like to write down, like, you know, kind of like what the book is about. But yeah, I don't think I'll use these, which is kind of sad because it's like a whole stack of inserts. But yeah, I wish there had been more of these pages here because I like writing down my books. Okay, so then let's talk about the note paper before we get into the dashboards here. So I like this. It's wide rolled. I do like a little bit smaller. I like kind of an in-between. I don't like the Franklin Covey is really, really skinny, but and this is too wide. I like it when it's just like regular, if you know what I mean. Like, you know, like college rolled paper. I like that. But I mean, this is pretty. So this can be really used. These flowers, I mean, they don't look overly Christmassy, but you could technically use them any time of the year. It doesn't really matter. So I'll just put this with my note paper, and I'm probably not going to use it right away. But yeah, I mean, it's there when you need it. Okay, and then for all of the dashboards, like, and the cover club, so I don't use mine as like a cover. I have like a Franklin binder. So for me, because I get mine in half letter, I punch my own inserts. I use all of mine as dashboards. So this is for August. I like that it doesn't have the year on it, so I'm going to keep this one because I can use it for any August I want to, which is nice. I love that it's like a typewriter font. That's really nice. And then you've got this one cardstock, and it's like this bookshelf full of encyclopedias with a chair. That's nice. I also like this one. So it's like all of the classics, right? So it says Pride and Prejudice. It's like chapter 13, page 136 from Pride and Prejudice. And then you've got this book list, which is kind of cool. And then you've got these two cardstocks as well. So apparently Jane's Agenda, they took this picture themselves, so this is an original from them, but then this one was something that they purchased from somebody else. But you get a duplicate, so I mean, you could, if you had two different sizes of planners, you could get the half letter unpunched and then cut it down to size if you wanted. Sometimes I do that with my compact, like I might put one of these in my compact and one of them will stay in my half letter. But I do like this. This will go, well, I don't know if it'll go with my current box. I don't know. But they are nice to have. Like if you want to, if you switch out your styles every month, like I do, it's nice to have different ones on hand. And then finally, you've got these in, I think it's rose gold. These are like the Cover Club that you can put on the front and back of a planner if you wanted. And then it says, have regular hours for work and play. Make each day both useful and pleasant, and prove that you understand the worth of time by employing it well. Then youth will bring few regrets, and life will become a beautiful success. That is so beautiful. So yeah, so these are definitely beautiful. Just want to show you how they layer here. So if you were to put this, I don't know if you put that over there or that underneath, that's pretty. Any of them go well. Like they were pairing all of them and they just all look really pretty. This one looks nice. They all look really nice together. Anyway, I could spend hours playing, but that is it for this box. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to the anniversary box to see what goodies come in that one. I always seem to get mine a little bit late. I am in Canada, so I get mine a little bit later than people in the States. But anyway, thank you guys so much for joining in and watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and like always, I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.